Welcome to aminacademy.com. In mathematics, regarding CAT entrance, let us do mensuration problem. Two walls and ceiling of a room meet at right angles at point P. A fly is in the air 1 meter from one wall, 8 meters from the other wall, and 9 meters from the point P. How many meters is the fly from the ceiling? Here, that you have to find the diagonal of the cuboid, like here 1 square, 1 meter from one wall, 8 meters from other wall, that is 8 square, and from the ceiling is z square, which is equal 9 square. So 1 plus 64 plus z square equal 81. So z square equal to 81 minus 64. Z square equal to 727. Z square equal to not 27, that 11 minus 4 is 7. And 1 square plus 8 square, that is 64, plus z square equal to 9 square. Therefore, z gives 8 square is 64, 1 square is 1, that is 65 here. Then it is 16 comes. Yes, z square is 16, that is z equal to 4 meter. Therefore, the fly is 4 meter from the ceiling. Question number 2. 5 marbles of various sizes are placed in conical funnel. Each marble is in contact with the adjacent marbles. Also, each marble is in contact all around the funnel wall. The smallest marble has a radius of 8 mm. The largest marble has a radius of 18 mm. What is the radius in mm of the middle marble? We have to find the radius of the middle marble. Here, let it be this 8, this here R1, radius R1, R2, R3. Now, the triangles are in ratios if we join the centers of that marbles, and from that 8 to 18 you have to draw a parallel line to this one. We'll have the different similar triangles. Then first one is R1 minus R2, ratios R1 minus R2 over R1 plus R2 is the distance base, which is equal ratio to R2 minus R3 over R2 plus R3. Then this, which is equal which gives R2 square R2 square. R2 square is R1 into R3, which is the, hence RT is a geometric mean here. Therefore, R2 is geometric mean of R1 and R3. From that, Therefore, we can say R1, R2, R3 are in GP. R1, R2, R3 are in geometric progression. Therefore, R2 square equal 8 into 18 because 8 is the smallest radius and 18 is the largest radius. So, from this R2 equal to square root of 8 into 18 equals square root of 144 is 12. Next question. Three identical cones with base radius r are placed on their bases so that each is touching the other two. The radius of the circle drawn through their vertices is here three cone bases here. Suppose this is r. R. Now you have to find the end radius. The centers of the bases of cones from the triangle is 2r. The circumcircle of the circle will be identical to a circle drawn through the vertices of the cones. That must be therefore radius of the circle drawn from the centers of the other circle is radius is 2 by root 3 2 by root 3 r, which is 2 by root 3 is lesser than 2 by root 3 is greater than r. Therefore, larger than r. Answer is larger than r. Option 3. Next question. Glass spheres which submerge fully in water of radius 7 mm are dropped into a cylinder vessel containing some water. The diameter of the vessel is 14 centimeter. Find how many spheres have been dropped in it if the water level rises by 3.5 centimeter. Look at here. Here, this you can say volume of water is placed. Volume volume of water displaced is cylindrical, that is pi r squared h, which is equal pi r is 7 square, h is 3.5 centimeter cube. Next is volume of one sphere. 4 by 3 pi, radius is 0.7, that is 7 by 10, 7 by 10, 7 by 10. So, number of spheres. Number of spheres is volume of water displaced, that is pi 7 square into 7 by 2 because 3.5. Here 4 by 3 pi 7 by 10, 7 by 10, 7 by 10, which gives 3 by 4. Pi is cut in both sides. It's 7 square cut here and 7 cut here. So which gives 5 into 5 into 5, which is equal 375. 375 marbles can put inside to the vessel. Question number 5. A regular hexagonal prism has its perimeter of base 144 centimeter and height 120 centimeter. It contains water up to a height of 110 centimeter. The spherical ball of diameter 35 centimeter is dropped uh, into it, due to which the level of water rises and some water flows out. Find the volume of water that flows. Here, side of hexagonal base, because perimeter is given 144, therefore side equal 144 divided by 6 equal 24 centimeter. Therefore, area of the base is 6 into root 3 by 4, because equilateral triangle a square, 24 square, which is equal 864 root 3. This is the area of the base. Therefore, area of the base is this much. Volume of the sphere with diameter 35. Now here, next we have to volume of sphere. Volume of sphere of 35 centimeter diameter is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Diameter is 35, that is 35 by 2 the cube, which gives approximately, we are using pi value as 22 by 7, gives 22458 22458 centimeter cube. Volume of empty space in sphere, because already it is the height of water is 120 centimeter, and if contains water already 110 centimeter. Therefore, volume of empty space, volume of empty space is equal 864 root 3 into 120 minus 110, which is equal 864 root 3 into 10. Now, root 3 value is 1.73 approximate, then it gives 14965 cc, centimeter cube. Now, volume of water flow out. Volume of water flow out equal to 22458 minus 14965, which gives approximate 7500 cc. Option 2. Next question. A solid cone of metal of radius r and height h centimeter is melted into a cube of length a. If h plus r equal to 10 centimeter, the volume of the cube formed is maximum. Then the radius of the cone is. Here, volume of the cube is maximum means you have to get it. The volume of cone should be maximum for certain value of h and r. That is V equal volume of the cone is 1 by 3 by r square h. Here r plus h condition is 10. Therefore, 1 by 3 by r square. H is 10 minus r, which is equal 1 by 3 pi r squared into 10 minus 1 by 3 pi r cube. That is 10 minus r is multiplied both. This is v. So if you find derivative of dv with r to get the maximum of volume, that is differentiate with respect to r is 10 into 1 by 3 pi into 2r minus 1 by 3 into 3 into pi r square. It should be equal to 0 to get a maximum value. So here from this pi cut 1 by 3 also cut. So we have 20r equal 20r equal to 20 by 20 by 3r equal r square. Therefore r equal to 20 by 3 for the maximum value of the volume. 20 by 3. Option 2. Question number 7. Find the edge of the cube that can be inscribed in a cone with base diameter 12 centimeter and height 8 centimeter. Here, find the edge of the cube, that is A you have to find. Let the edge of the cube is root 2a. Side is A, therefore edge of the cube is A root 2. A root 2. Here, look at here. This is the cone. Now, let QS here, QS, UW, V. Now, AQS, triangle AQS, triangle AQS is similar to triangle ABC. A, B, C. There and QS is therefore AO by AK, AO by AK, presented here O, AO by AK equal to QS by BC, QS by BC. Therefore, 8 minus A, because 8 centimeter height, 8 minus A by 8, AK is 8. The point K is the center, AK is 8 over equal root 2A, root 2A over 12, because 12 centimeter base diameter. Base diameter is 12, big. That is diameter is 12. That is big triangle, and from that inside small triangle. From that we can say A equal 24 over 2 root 2 plus 3. So we got the relation of A. A is which is equal to option 3. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.